Good morning, everyone. Today's Friday, April 24th, 2020. Here are our spelling words again. Remember, we're focusing on that long I, O, and A's this week. So let's go over them. Like, drive, bike, home, joke, woke, cape, and tape. All right, guys, and today, here's a challenge. We're going to do an at-home spelling test. So parents, what I would love for you guys to do is write the numbers, take a piece of paper, right? Take a piece of paper, write numbers 1 through 8 on different lines. Okay, so we're not going to show our children what the words are. You're going to say them. And like I said before, it's perfectly okay to say the words nice and slow. So for the first one, we're going to say like. And you would say I-k, I-k. All right, and before the test, make sure to remind our kids that these words have the magic E at the end and they change the sounds. After you're done doing your words, like, drive, bike, home, joke, woke, cape, tape, take a picture and send it to me, and have a great weekend.